Hello children, welcome to digital classes of Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School Gadarwara. This video is for class 12th, subject is accountancy, chapter number 12, analysis of financial statement. In this video you shall learn preparation of common size balance sheet. Here total assets and total equity and liabilities, they are considered as 100, when other items of balance sheets are shown in percentage out of 100. So you can say assets percentage. To find out the asset percentage, each assets item is divided by the total assets and each liability is expressed in the percent form of total of 100 assets, like this. You see the pro forma of balance sheet, which already been taught in chapter 11. You will have 4 columns: particulars, absolute amount of previous year and current year, and their percentage change of previous year and current year. In equity and liabilities, you have to follow marshalling and grouping strictly. First is shareholder fund, where share capital and reserve and surplus comes. Second is non-current liability, where long-term borrowings and long-term provisions are there. And third is current liability, in which short-term borrowings, trade payables, other current liabilities and short-term provisions are written. Then second is for asset, in which first is non-current assets, comprises of fixed assets of 2 types, tangible assets and intangible assets. Second, non-current investment in a long-term investment, and long-term loans and advances given by the company to some other company or invested in some specific securities. Then third is current assets, in which current investment which can be converted into the form of cash within 12 months, inventories or loose tools, trade receivables यानी कि bills receivables, cash and cash equivalent. Cash equivalent means check, draft and challans, short term loans and advances and other current assets. Now you are seeing question number 14, in which you are given equity and liabilities and their figures along with assets and their figures. So now we'll complete this question. So you can see in your book, this is illustration number 14 that you can see in your book also. First of all, see, I again and again I am just telling you, you have to follow marshalling and grouping. It means the sequence, the order cannot be disturbed, and for which you will have to learn pro forma of balance sheet. So remember this. On the top we write common size of balance sheet of Golden Limited in the name of the firm, and when it ends means for which it is being made. So it is being made for 31st March 2017 and 31st March 2018. We are comparing. First head is share capital of previous year and current year, 750 यानी 7,50,000 and 6 lakhs. So how to find out the percentage? 7,50,000 divided by the total liability, that is 20,75,000. So what you shall and multiply 100, you will get 36.14. Then for 2018, percentage of share capital is calculated as 6 lakh is share capital, which is divided by the total liabilities 16 lakh 25,000 multiply 100. So it comes 36.93%. Then revenue reserves and surpluses 2,50,000 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल यानी 20,75,000 जो सबसे नीचे लिखा है लाइबिलिटी का टोटल मल्टीप्लाई 100 इट कम्स 12.05. देन इन 2018 it is 2,50,000 which is divided by total liability that is 16,25,000 multiply 100, so its percent form is 15.38. Then second head is non-current liability is long-term borrowings 3 lakh divided by 20,75,000 multiply 100 which comes to 14.46%. And again 2,50,000 in the year 2018 2,50,000 divided by 16,25,000 multiply 100 it comes to 15.38% form. Third is current liability trade payables 7,75,000 divided by total यानी कि 20,75,000 multiply 100 it comes 37.35. Then in 2018 5,25,000 divided by 16,25,000 multiply 100 it comes 32.31. तो इस तरीके से आप परसेंट सबसे इजी क्वेश्चन है ये तुम्हारी बुक के पूरी बुक में है ना. इस तरीके से तुम इनको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. अब असेट्स के लिए निकालना है तो असेट्स में तुम्हारे पास सबसे पहले क्या है फिक्स्ड असेट्स वो कितना दिया गया है 7 लाख डिवाइडेड बाय 20,75,000 multiply 100 it comes to 33.73. और 2018 में टोटल है 4 लाख डिवाइडेड बाय 16,25,000 multiply 100 that comes to 24.62. That intangible assets में क्या आ रहा है गुडविल 8 lakhs divided by 20,75 multiply 100 that comes to 38.55. and 2018 में 6 lakh है गुडविल यानी इंटेंजिबल असेट्स उसको डिवाइड करेंगे 16,25,000 से मल्टीप्लाई 100 इट कम्स टू 36.92. देन करंट असेट्स में इन्वेंटरीज हैं उसके ऊपर नॉन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट है 5 लाख के 2017 में उनको डिवाइड करेंगे हम 20,75,000 से और मल्टीप्लाई 100 तो परसेंट फॉर्म निकलेगा 24.10. और 2018 में भी 5 लाख है लेकिन इसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा हमें 16,25,000 से तो हमारा परसेंट फॉर्म आएगा 30.77. और लास्ट में इन्वेंट्रीज़ यानी करंट असेट्स में इन्वेंट्रीज़ हैं 75,000 रुपये की तो 75,000 को डिवाइड करेंगे हम 20,75,000 से मल्टीप्लाई 100 करेंगे तो आएगा 3.62. और 2018 में 1,25,000 है और टोटल है असेट का 16,25,000 डिवाइड करके 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास आएगा 7.69. तो ये इस तरीके से तुम्हें बैलेंस शीट बनाना है. तो इनके क्वेश्चंस करना और बाकी की जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स रहेगी वो जूम क्लास में हमसे डिस्कस करना. थैंक यू.